Overthinking is a major relationship killer. Your partner will feel that energy and it will repel them. So it's really important to trust in yourself. Trust in the way the universe is unfolding for you. And have a belief that it's unfolding the way it should. And even though I love this person, I love being in a relationship with this person, I can't desperately cling on to all my happiness being in that relationship. So letting go of the need for any one outcome is the most important thing you can do. Enjoy the day as it comes, enjoy that person as they are, enjoy the relationship and the plans that you're making as it is, and really try to live by that. Now, if you're finding there's some uncomfortable truths in a relationship, like the person just doesn't have time for you, or you're not getting your needs met, then you need to deal with that and move on.